Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic emblem. First, gather essential tools like a plastic pry tool and painter's tape. Next, thoroughly clean the area around the old emblem. This ensures a perfectly clean working surface. Finally, apply painter's tape around the emblem to protect your car's paint from any accidental scratches during the removal process. This step is crucial. Now, let's remove the old emblem. Gently pry it from the vehicle using your plastic tool. If the adhesive is stubborn, you can carefully heat the emblem with a hairdryer to soften it. Once removed, take your time to carefully peel off any remaining adhesive residue from the surface. A clean surface is key for the next step.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book. Check the description below for a link to the book and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the old emblem gone, it's time to prepare for the new one. Clean the emblem area again with an alcohol wipe for the best possible adhesion. Ensure the surface is completely dry before you even think about applying the new emblem. Finally, test fit the new emblem to confirm its proper alignment and placement. This prevents crooked installation. You're almost there. Now, remove the protective backing from the new emblem's adhesive. Carefully align the new emblem precisely before pressing it firmly into place. Take your time with this step to ensure it's straight. Apply even pressure for about 30 seconds to secure the emblem properly. This helps the adhesive bond strongly to the surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.